Hey, what's up everybody? So I've been getting a lot of comments about a video that I posted about a video that I posted around 9 months ago on my Toric colored lenses from Solotica. And I thought I would just come on here and kind of touch base on some of the things that I may have said and just try to answer some of the questions that you guys did have as far as when it comes to the comfort, the clarity, the price. Now, I did buy another pack of lenses, and I'll tell you why I bought another pack. But just to save some time and let you guys know, those Toric lenses, I do not wear them anymore at all. And here's why. When it comes to the comfort, there are some times when I wore those Toric lenses, sometimes they'd be very comfortable, I wouldn't even know that they were in. But for the majority of the time, they were very, very painful. They dried out a lot, and my vision would get blurry. I haven't been wanting to tell people just flat out, hey, don't buy the colored Toric lenses, because there's a lot of factors that come into play as far as why I may have been having the discomfort, the blurry vision, and all that good stuff. And that's basically because my eyes may not be used to wearing contacts. Before I bought those contacts, I haven't worn a pair of contacts since 2013. So I'm like, okay, my eyes just could be completely messed up from when I did used to wear contacts, and maybe my eyes just aren't used to them. So that's why I did go ahead and buy another pair of contacts. They're from Lens.me again, the same company, Hydrocor Solotica, but this time I got them with no power, so they're not Toric, they're just their normal lenses. And also I did not get the natural colors. I got the Ambar, I believe, because I feel like the Ambar would look better on me anyways. And what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to wear these contacts for around a week or so, see how these feel, and now if these feel very comfortable after that week is up, come on, focus on me, focus on me. Thank you. Now, if these contacts still feel comfortable after that week is up, then that does let me know that it's not my eyes that are messed up and it's the actual Toric lenses. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. Very nervous. Okay, so that's the first one. Don't know how I'm feeling on the color yet, but we'll see later once I have them both in. So far, they're very, very comfortable. Very comfortable, surprisingly comfortable. Okay, I feel like I look crazy. So I've got both of the contacts in. My left one is like very, very, oh, like cute! Okay. First impressions comparing the Toric lenses to these lenses, which like I said, these are no power and they're not the natural color, they're just the normal Hydrocor Solotica lenses. These are very comfortable, and the fact that I can see clearly is crazy because I thought that my vision would be blurry, but my vision is more clear than the other ones. Now this eye is blurry, but I had issues putting this contact in because there was something stuck in the lens and I didn't clean it like I was supposed to. I think I'm also digging the color a little bit more as opposed to the male that I had on the last contacts. I'm gonna update you and let you know if I think that it was just the Toric lenses themselves that were the issue, or if my eyes are really just completely all jacked up, and if my eyes are the reason why I was having issues with my contacts. And then we'll recap and come back. I'm gonna go to work. I don't wanna go to work, but I'm gonna go to work. Bye. It's been around a week, 2 weeks, and I think I can officially give my comments not only on these contacts, but also on the Toric contacts. These contacts are very, very comfortable. As long as you can keep them moisturized, I guess that is. I think I've worn them 7 times. I've worn them 7 times, and like I said, comfort, very, very comfortable. As far as like the vision or the clarity, there are some times where it does get a little blurry, but if I just take my contact, I don't know if this is gross to some people or not, but you came to see a video about contacts. But if I take my contact and just swirl it around a little bit and get like some liquid behind it, then it goes clear. So, I mean, that is something that you could do if you decided you wanted to get just the regular contacts if you have astigmatism. But then you have to be wary that you're going to be touching your eyes while COVID is going on. So you really don't want to be doing that. So I'm like, I try to also keep eye drops on me at all times. That way, if they do get dry, I can just put a couple drops in there. And then that sometimes will help with the blurriness as well. I tried to wear these contacts at night. No, it doesn't work. Mainly because, okay, so when I look at lights at night while I drive, the lights look like they're starburst. There's light trails coming off of everything. I don't think that happens to everyone. I think it only happens to people that have astigmatism. So when I wear these and try to drive at night, not only do the lights still have like those sunburst lines, but there's a bunch of hexagons all over the lights. I could still see, but I'm also ADD, so if you are going to get these with astigmatism, I highly advise against driving at night with these in. Back to how I feel about the Toric lenses. Now, since I've been wearing these and I know how these feel, I can 100% equate the uncomfort that I was having with those Toric lenses to the fact that they were Toric lenses and not the fact that my eyes were just messed up. So for me, the vision, they didn't help. Even though they were prescription, I don't feel like they helped my vision whatsoever. If anything, they dried out too much and then ended up getting blurrier than these contacts did. So I'm like, that's a waste. You know, that kind of sucks. Especially since the Toric lenses are so much more expensive than these contacts. I ended up paying $215 for my Toric lenses. I did have a discount. I think I got like maybe $30 off. So we'll say like $240, something like that. But I ended up paying $215 for my Toric lenses. It took weeks to get here, almost 8 full weeks. And these were only $80. Was it $39.99 per eye? Yeah, it was $80 together. And then it literally took only 4 days to get here. I really want to say 3, because what did I say? I ordered them Thursday night at like 9 at night. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then they were here Monday morning. You know, sometimes our mail runs here on Sundays, but not every Sunday. It's weird. I will get packages on Sunday sometimes, but not all the time. But, you know, where's I going with that? What the fuck did I just say? It doesn't matter. Yeah, the Toric lenses, I'm not telling you not to buy them, but if I could go back and tell myself not to buy them and just try these first, yeah. If you're trying to find contacts just so you can be able to experiment around with color, I'd go with the cheapest route first. Yeah, I think that's it. I do like these. I really do. I'm checking out myself in my viewfinder, as I should. But yes, I'm gonna get close, let you see what these look like. So these, they look really natural. I do wish that there was some more brown in it. I want it like a greenish brown type of situation. Very dark brown eyes. Now I feel like I'm crying all over the place. So yeah, that's everything. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns. Yeah, I guess that's everything. So I'll be talking to you guys later, and hopefully it's soon. So, bye.